All right, in this video, we are going to unlock the secrets to the bar chords. What are bar chords? What's a partial bar chord? What is a full bar chord? And what are some tips on how to play them successfully? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and finally we're going to unlock the secrets to that scary word, the bar chords. What are they? How do you play them? What's a partial bar chord? What's a full bar chord? I'm going to go over all of that, and by the end of this, you're going to feel a lot better and more confident about playing these bar chords. Before we get there, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Click that link below. You're automatically entered to win the free ukulele we give away every single month right here on my channel. By the way, I'm playing my Koloha concert. Wait, what? A concert? You know, I don't really play tenors, but yeah, my concert and surprise, high G for this video as well. And I don't even have my strap on. All right, why did I do this video? Because at some point we have to break out of our open position chords. It's going to be required as you play more challenging songs, as you get into different styles, because you cannot play all your chords you need in open position. So now we're going to do bar chords. All right, so what is a bar chord? So a bar chord is anytime you take a finger, typically though, it's your first finger, and you cover more than one string. In this case, I'm covering first string, first fret, and second string. All right, that is what we call also a partial bar chord, right? Now, you can do bar chords with other fingers, like when I'm playing this chord. That was my third finger is a bar because I'm covering those three strings right there. Don't worry about that chord right now. All right, let's go back to this one. We're going to do this B flat bar chord, and this is a partial bar chord, right? So again, that just means we're only covering more than one string, but not all of them like a full bar chord. All four strings, we're just covering partial, meaning two in this case. All right, bar the first and second string at the first fret. Press down, lay that finger flat, right? Normally, I always like to say to bend the fingers, but in the case of the bar chord, you gotta lay the finger flat. Make sure you can get both of those ringing out clearly. All right, and then add your second finger, third string, second fret, and then third finger, fourth string, third fret. All right, now here's a couple tips and tricks for you. When you're playing your bar chord, make sure your finger is parallel to the fret. So none of this right here, none of this right here, nice and parallel. Make sure you're not on the fret as well. And then before you add fingers, make sure you get the notes of the bar clear, and then add another finger, and then add another finger. And then you have a B flat chord. Now, we don't say B flat partial bar chord, but that's what it is. It's a partial bar chord. Now, why might you get that sound, that thuddy sound? Couple of reasons. One, you're just simply not pressing down hard enough. So you do have to apply a little bit extra pressure on the bar chords. Now, your action, meaning how high your strings are off the fretboard, can determine how easy or hard it is to play a bar chord. And that's why at store.ukelikethepros.com, we always recommend getting a setup. Whether you're getting an inexpensive ukulele, top of the line, make sure you get a setup from my expert team. And that's going to make not only playing ukulele, but especially these bar chords a lot easier. The second thing is if you play on top of the frets, you're going to get those notes. And then third, if your fingers droop down like this one, droops down and touches that next string, you're going to get that thud sound. So you want to make sure you get nice and clear notes. All right, so that's the partial bar chord. Now check this out. All right, let's do a full bar chord. Now moving it up to the third fret, because bar chords here at the first fret are actually kind of tough. You have to apply even more pressure. But here at the third fret, it's nice. So this is a full bar chord. This is a C7 chord. Now I'm taking my first finger and I'm barring all four strings at the third fret. Third fret, third fret, third fret, third fret. And then I'm going to add my second finger to the third string, fourth fret, and I got the C7 chord. Now, full bar chords require a couple things. A little bit more pressure, because now you're applying this finger to all of the strings. And what else was I going to say? A little bit more pressure. And also, again, the action will be a big part of this as well. There was something else I was going to think about, but we'll see if I come up with a second. But just a little bit more pressure when you're doing these full bar chords. And again, you want to make sure you get those nice and clear notes whenever you're doing this. So Again, break out of your open position chords. Don't be scared of the bar chords, okay? The partial bar chords, the full bar chords. Don't be scared of them because you're going to need to do them when you start getting into these more complex songs. Maybe you start learning jazz and fingerstyle. You're going to have to be able to play these bar chords, and you're going to have to play them with confidence, all right? If you dig this stuff, if you like it, you want to explore more, check out ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional site. We have over 20 courses, fantastic platinum membership that gives you access to the courses, the challenges, the workshops, the Q&A. So make sure to check that out. I want to help you become a great ukulele player. So, all right, that's going to do it. That's bar chords. You can do this. Practice them. They might take a little practice, but you can do them. All right, we have a great Patreon page. We have all our social media. Make sure to sign up for the free ukulele giveaway by subscribing and clicking that link below. So anyway, I hope you got a little bit of value, and I hope this helped you tackle the scary, but not really that scary, bar chords.